Oh my goodness, harvest is about to start. It's about to start. Oh boy. We got the front duals on the tractor, now we're putting it on the back. I'm excited. Don called me this morning. He's like, "Hey!" He didn't yell at me. I'm kidding. He doesn't yell at me. He's like, "Come on, Alec, come on." And he's like, "I think you'll be able to run on the Sims." I'm like, "Cool." So we're gonna run on the Sims. First, we gotta go to the Hubbard, and it's why does she do this? Why does she do this? Oh my goodness. We're gonna clean out the combine on the Hubbard, cause we're gonna run it, make sure there's no more rye left in that combine, and then we're gonna go hang out on Dawn's place for the rest of the day. They gotta hook up the grain cart first, though. I need there's so many things to do. Oh, we still gotta hook up trucks too. Oh my OMG. So many things. We're so excited. She put that way up there. I wish I would have got that one on. These tires are so big. They're so... Oh, I'm touching the ground. I tell them get away from the tire because you can literally just get crushed by these tires. There was a gal on TikTok that she was putting these on by herself or taking them off or something. Broke both of her legs because they absolutely just fell on top of her. I don't know what you're signing. No. No. That was a bit too bouncy. Back in the middle again, or which way? Forward? Yeah, go ahead and put that top. Move your hair.
Sorry.
I mean, I moved it to the right and you'd go to the right, then I'd go to the left, and you'd go back to the left. You got it. Gabriel, can you pick up on it just a little bit? You're going in. Not right. Alright, hit it with that impact. Heck yeah. Go get a tire gauge. Make sure there's 25 in all of them. Okay, they went to go hook up the grain cart. I am going to hook up this grain trailer, open up the doors, make sure there's nothing in these doors. And while I'm hooking up these, Abby is in the barn chaining the lube. No, it's lubing the chains, Seth. Good night. She's lubing the chains on the combine. We have one more belt to tighten on the header. I need a new one, but I'll figure that out. Not tomorrow. Maybe Saturday. Nope, not Saturday. Maybe Sunday, if John Deere will help me out. But while they're doing that, I'm gonna do this, so that way we're getting a lot of things done.
No, no.
Push it! Get it on there! Yeah! Post-game interview, how do you feel about that?
I'm tired.
We've always put it there and then raised up the old the airbags. Don't know if that's correct to Mundo or not, but it works well for us. Oh my goodness! I'm doing the thing! I'm doing it! We're leaving! We're leaving this point right here. Who put that water bottle there? Oh, there, those devious little devils. We're gonna go about 7 miles yonder, 1 mile back yonder, and I gotta stop. I gotta turn I gotta put it in second gear, and I gotta turn my ladder in. Second gear. Oh, I'm not strong enough. Okay. I really need to take the broom to this. All right, is anybody coming? No. I'm out of here. First field, come on. Got Tucker over there making wide turns coming in here. You bet. Gotta line him up on here. Need to open this up like so. Gotta line him up with the header, with the edge of that header. We're gonna take these straps off there, y'all. Are we gonna hit it on the first try? Holy cow! Wow! Contact. Oh, things are turning. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. I'm nervous. Why does the first field we have to do have to be a custom field? Like, can I not figure some stuff out first? I'm nervous. I am getting nothing. Oh my goodness. I can't. I am so far off the ground. I'm crooked. I'm on a wash. Ah, I'm hitting the ground. Hitting the ground. Alert. Where am I hitting the ground at? Somewhere. Pick up the reel. Pick up the reel, Seth. Let down the reel. Moisture sensor not filling because there's no weed in there. Get down. Turn up your reel speed, Seth. All right. Let's go number 3 on the reel speed. Hello, that's some good weight going in there. I don't know how much is going in there. Gotta get back there and see what we're doing. She's a little trashy. Just a little trashy. I gotta figure out how to fix that, but I gotta make sure we're catching all the wheat first. I'm not real sure if we're catching wheat. Oh. Is it around the stalks? Yeah, see, there's another. It's light.
Where is it?
I put it in my mouth.
Oh. Go get my scales out and weigh it.
Oh yeah?
A couple small ones. So we're cleaner.
We're cleaner. I went down to 5, and then there at the end, I went down to 4 and cleaned it up a lot better.
Yeah, just kind of play with it. I'm gonna have them move that trailer up the hill.
Part of what turn the fan.
You turn the fan down, you're gonna undo even closing it down because that lets more of the trash fall. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Might actually,
But if I close my top down to 14,
try it. I would turn the fan down. Right away. Anything you may have to push the fan up, push out because that little bit of trash. About blowing it open.
yeah, we're already blowing it over a little bit.
I just, like I said, normally closing, opening and closing your top one gets fixed up.
Yeah.
Opening and closing your bottom is where you separate the fines. But you can try closing it down to 14 and leave your fan to 10 and see what it does.
Okay. Would that blow more out the back then?
Good.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go for the out.
Well, I did a boo-boo. I was on the phone. Don't ever be on your phone while you're combining. I might can back out of that. Oh, I don't know. I think that's the bottom right there. Oh, that's still mushy. I don't know. I don't know. I don't like it. Oh my goodness. All right, I got Dad as a spotter. Ow, smoked my head. bet it's wet right there too. Oh, like it was butter. Oh, Don's not gonna be happy about that one. Nope, sure not. I think it's wet over where he's at too. Nice. Cool. I'm gonna go cut around that. Yeah, that's exactly what he's telling me, dude. Alrighty. He understands that I have never, and I repeat, never had to combine in wet conditions. Ever. So I'm gonna set this down and I'm gonna let y'all go. I hate to say it, but I think this field might be a little too wet. I don't know what he thinks. I'm gonna shut her down. What are you gonna talk to? I am one that just, I don't want to stop, but we're gonna go see. He's the expert. I'm scared of these situations. I don't want to have to go get a 4-wheel drive tractor. And Don doesn't want his field running up. So I found a dry spot on the field. I've done a lot of the field. It's kind of dry over here. I found one wet spot, and it's right ahead of me. Well, it's on the other side of the terrace. It scared me whenever I popped over that terrace. It was like, ah, that's wet. Hello. Just scary. I have no idea what to do with this wet stuff. It's just not what I've ever done anything in. Oh, that's low. We're a little low. Get a wash. I haven't put any full dumps on the grain cart. The biggest one I did was right here at the top of the window. It's not even half a load, so maybe we'll get a big load here pretty quick. Just out here dream teaming it. We'll get better as the season goes. Just like how easy it was to put it on, we took it off and we got the first field done. Heck yeah, we did that. All right, so we're gonna put the strap, we're gonna throw straps over the top, and we're gonna put the tires on the truck. Did I just say truck? It is a pickup. Good grief. say it, but I think it's time. First time of the season. I had to. There was one other combine that didn't beat me, and Gabriel beat me. But I couldn't see anymore. I'm sorry. I tried my best. I really tried, but there's a lot of weeds out here that I need to miss. I'm just making excuses. I'm a horrible combine driver. Please hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Yeah, that one. That's so bad. Are we gonna be able to do it for the first time in the dark? Oh, it's just so difficult. I can hear his turbo from in here. Y'all keep an eye on him. Tell me whether to go forward or backwards. Well, I've got this dump and one more dump to do. It's averaging 15 bushels to the acre right now. I've done probably right around 100 acres. Actually, more probably around 115. I've got like 5 more to do on that side of the field, and then we'll be done for the night. I didn't want to do it right then because it's got a mud hole in it, and I'm not a fan of those. As you saw, me and them don't get along. I don't know how to work them. I don't know how to do good in them, so I'm gonna try really hard to do it at night so I can't see them, so I'm not scared. Here it is, last pass. Been looking for this one all day. Oh, Jimmy's about to have a fight with a pickup? Is that a pickup? Oh, good. They didn't have words. That was a close one. We're gonna call it a night after this pass, because I almost got stuck in the mud. I got scared. And I'm gonna haul cattle in the morning. They can cut it out and they can get stuck instead of me. So we're gonna go that route. We'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out, Girl Scouts.